Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where we can go on a journey together to live our highest, truest, and most fulfilled version of ourselves. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be aware every time I post. Thank you so much. Today's video is another food vlog. Since it's the summer and there is abundance of zucchinis in my garden, my friend's garden, I have a lot of them. So I decided to share with you two delicious zucchini recipes that you will love. First is the zucchini bread and the zucchini muffins, all with a twist and healthy and delicious. As usual, I'll put the recipes down below for easy reference. So here we go. Here are the ingredients. First, we have the shredded zucchini. Then we have the almond milk. We have the coconut oil, melted, eggs, nuts. I'm using Brazil nuts, really good. Can use different kinds, but I'm using Brazil nuts for this recipe. Vanilla, sea salt, coconut sugar. You can use maple or honey, but coconut sugar is the best. For my baking, I use it. Nutmeg, cinnamon, flour. I'm using almond flour. You can also use wheat flour or regular flour will do. Then the last one, baking soda. First is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Next, in a large bowl, combine the flour, the baking soda, the salt, the cinnamon, nutmeg, and coconut sugar. In a medium bowl, I'm using a large measuring cup here. Combine the eggs, the coconut oil, the almond milk, and vanilla extract. And then whisk together until combined. Next step is to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir and mix until everything is just combined and you have a nice thick batter. Next is to add the zucchini and the nuts, if desired, and mix well until combined. Next is to pour the batter into a prepared grease pan. I use coconut oil to grease my baking pan, and you can top with extra nuts if desired. Bake for 50 minutes or until set through and a toothpick comes out clean. Then let it cool and enjoy. It's moist and delicious. It's really good. There you go. This is your healthy zucchini bread with Brazil nuts. Enjoy. For the next recipe, the zucchini muffins with chocolate chips, it is the same procedure as the bread, except that we are using coconut sugar and we're adding cocoa powder and chocolate chips. And also, instead of baking pan, we evenly divide the batter into the muffin cups. And this recipe will give us 12 good size muffins. And then you can also add chocolate chips on top, and then you bake this for 25 minutes or until cooked through at 350 degrees. This is so delicious. My mother and my daughter, who is a food critic, really love this muffin, and also a friend of mine. So this is a huge hit, more than the bread in a way, but maybe because of the chocolate chips. So here it is. Hoping you will like it and share it with family and friends. Happy cooking, happy eating. Be kind, be loving, and be inspired.